Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel in Krishang French Learning. Today we are diving into the delicious world of French cuisine with some essential restaurant vocabulary. Whether you are planning a trip to France or just want to impress your friends at a French restaurant, these phrases will come in handy. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First thing first, let's start with some basic greetings and common phrases you will need when you enter a restaurant. Greetings and common phrases. When you walk into a restaurant, you greet the staff by saying bonjour, which means hello or good morning. In the evening, you greet them by saying bonsoir, which means good evening. It's always polite to use s'il vous plaît to say please and merci to say thank you. Now, if you need to excuse yourself or get someone's attention, you can say excusez-moi, which means excuse me. And if you need to ask for the bill, you can simply say l'addition s'il vous plaît, which means the bill please. Ordering foods and drinks. Next, let's move on to ordering foods and drinks. When you are ready to order, you can start with je voudrais, which means I would like. For example, je voudrais une bouteille de vin means I would like a bottle of wine. If you need the menu, you can ask le menu, s'il vous plaît, means the menu, please. Or if you want the wine list, you can say la carte de vin, means the wine list. Types of food. Now let's talk about different types of food. For appétit means the main course of a meal, you can say une entrée. Main courses are called un plat principal and desserts are called un dessert. Here are some common foods you might find on the menu. Le pain for bread, le fromage for cheese, la soupe for soup, and la salade for salad. For main dishes, you might see le poulet for chicken, le poisson for fish, le bœuf for beef, and le porc for pork, which is a pig meat. Vegetables are les légumes and fruits are les fruits. Specific dishes. And don't forget some classic dishes like a steak means a steak, des frites for fries, un sandwich means a sandwich, une pizza means pizza, une tarte for a tart, and une glace for ice cream. Lastly, for compliments and complaints like it's so delicious or it's too spicy, you can say in French. If you want to compliment the food, you can say c'est très délicieux, which means it was delicious. And if something isn't quite right, you can say c'est trop sale for it's too salty or c'est trop épicé for it's too spicy. When it's time to pay, you can say par carte, by card, par carte, en espèces in cash, en espèces. I hope you find these phrases helpful for your next French dining experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more language tips and travel adventures. Merci, à bientôt. Thanks and see you soon. Bye.